Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Jaysuing Invisible Waterproof Agent Leak Repair Sealant Review. So you might be wondering, what is this invisible waterproof agent that you may be hearing or seeing online? So Jaysuing Invisible Waterproof Agent is a liquid brush-on spray sealant marketed for sealing leaks and cracks. Now described as being applicable to roofs, walls, ceilings, tiles, plumbing, windowsills, toilets, and exterior surfaces for both indoor and outdoor use. Now, listed core ingredients include a polyurethane emulsion for bonding and waterproofing, a waterproofing agent, so in this case, forming a protective layer, and a surfactant to help the product spread and bond evenly. Now, it's described as transparent once dry, so it doesn't change the surface appearance, and as non-toxic and odorless and safe for both interior and exterior applications. Now, some listings market a spray version as well as the standard brush-on liquid. Now, how do you exactly use this? Well, in this case, you want to first clean the surface being treated first and make sure it's completely dry with no moisture or dirt remaining. Now, if there are large cracks here listed as above like 2 millimeters, the instructions recommend filling those with a sealant first before applying the waterproofing agent. Apply an even coat using the included brush or by spraying for the spray version across the area needing treatment. Now let it cure. Now the listing notes a waterproof layer forms within about like 24 to 48 hours and continues strengthening over time here. Now the brush can be rinsed clean with water afterwards since the formula is water-based according to them. And when it comes to pricing, well, the bottle size commonly ranges from 100 ml up to like 300 milligrams here, so or larger. Now with prices generally falling between the roughly $15 and $30 range, now depending on the size and the retailer. Now, currently, if you try visiting one of their website, a one pack here, which is around 300 grams, you could just get this for like $29 as of this moment. Now, you do have other options like the 2-pack value for 300 grams each, which is around $56. Now, obviously, more packs here would cost more, like $81 or $104 for the 4-pack version. But yeah. So it's sold through a mix of dedicated brand websites here, like for example, their website and Amazon and even on eBay. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.